Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Mitch at Diagnostic North. And today I'm going to show you how I fixed this 1996 F-250 with a 7.3 diesel engine. The complaint on this truck is a very hard start. I went ahead and did some preliminary testing on the glow plug relay and determined it was faulty, so I went ahead and replaced it. Even though this truck now had a working glow plug relay, it was still hesitant to start. That's when I decided to hook up my scan tool and investigate a little bit further. So as you can see, we have an active fault code P1294, high side open, bank number 2, left. Now this fault code pertains to the high voltage going to the injectors on the driver's side bank. Alright, so here we are. We're going to be completing an injector buzz test. This test helped me determine that all the injectors on the driver's side bank are dead. So here I checked out every single inch of that wiring harness from the IDM all the way back to the injectors. Found nothing wrong. Everything tested perfect. Everything points to this IDM. And once you know, once I peeled the cover off, it's water cooled. So that concludes the diagnostic portion of this job. As it turns out, I had a spare IDM here. I went ahead and slapped it onto the truck, and I'll tell you, that truck has never started better. Gonna do a nice little cold start. Yeah. Well, that's the end of this video. If you liked what you saw, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Mitch from Diagnostic North, signing off.